Hey there guys, how's it going? It's Nintendo 3DS Mush back again with a little unboxing, I guess. So yeah, I picked up a 3DS game and a 3DS accessory. I haven't got my DS yet. I get that next Thursday or Friday, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing then of that, even though you've already seen them, millions of 3DS XL unboxings. So let's start with the accessory. Let's go with the accessory first. The first thing I got is the Mariokart 7 stylus pack, $3.99 from Sainsbury's. So yeah, and as you can see there, compatible with DS Lite, DSi, DSXL, and 3DS. So yeah, obviously I have a 3D. I'm gonna get a 3DS, so it's compatible. So now I need to work out like the amazing brain box that I am to get into it. I'm sorry, I have to do it off camera. There will be no editing or anything like that. Maybe what you guys will hear. So, wow, I'm already at 1 minute and 25 seconds of me trying to do this bastard thing. Alright, so there we go. I forgot to. Jeez. Oh, great. Finally got into it. So yeah, let's start off with this stuff, the cloth. Now you get a cleaning cloth for your DS. And you can see it's checkered flag, which is really cool. I like it. And then you get two styluses. They're cool. This first one is a cat, and it says there, Mariokart 7 minutes ago. Oh. Something. And then we have a mushroom, which is, this will be the one that I use the most when I'm using the stylus. Not sure if it works with like I don't think it does, but no, it does. But yeah, so that's my accessory box. It's $3.99 from Sainsbury's. Cheap. So now this game, I've been wanting this game for I wanted this game like for a while after deciding that yeah, I'm gonna get myself a 3DS. So yeah, here we go. So what I got was Mariokart 7, and it's gonna be torture just seeing this and these and not having a 3DS to play on. It's gonna be torture, but it's only a couple of days away. So yeah, Mariokart 7, 3DS, Nintendo, Peggy 3. You can see that drive, dive, and glide to victory. So you got a couple of screenshots of the game. Brilliant. Right, and so what we've got here, we've got local play, 2 to 8 players. That's that one. I've got download play, 2 to 8 players. We've got internet, 2 to 8 players. And we've got street pass and spot pass. And as you can see, obviously you probably don't know about this, but anyway, use this as a pointer. So you get fire flower, which basically you can realize the tanuki leaf, so you can basically have a tanuki tail. Milky 7, basically you get any of these. You get 7 of these. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this. So yeah, we've got a Nintendo thing. You can see it if you want, because it's covered up. See, it's covered up. So, I'll enter my pin to coverNintendo.com. Gets points. Something we have here is the help guide, I think. Yeah, it's the help guide. So, see, these are the items that you can have. We all know what they are: banana, green shell, red shell, spiky shell. Sorry about that. Bob-omb, dash mushroom, golden dash mushroom. Then we've got billet bill. We've got looper, lightning, star, superstar, fireflower, super leaf, which basically gives you the Tanuki tail, and Lucky 7, where you get equipped 7 items simultaneously. So yeah, that's the kind of like quick sticky guide. And then we have an information guide thing. And then we also have a 3DS booklet basically showing you different games, such as we've got That's What I'm Getting with my 3DS. Super Mario on 3D, 3D Land, Mariokart 7, Star Fox 640 3D, Zelda and The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time, Tetris, Super Pokemon Rumble, Nintendo and Cats, Power Rings, Super Street Fighter 4 3D Edition, Dead or Evil Dimensions. So yeah, that's what you get with the box. And now for the cartridge itself. So you can see, there you go. Mariokart 7 Nintendo 3DS. Alright guys, that was just a really quick, I was hoping it would be quicker, quick unboxing of my stylus, my Mariokart 7 stylus pack, and Mariokart 7. Expect unboxing of the 3DS coming up on either Thursday or Friday. So yeah, see you guys then. Peace.